Hey, what's up, everyone? Eric with Yes We Rent Houses, back with another awesome property. This one in the 4700 block of Homesdale, 21206. So make our way in. You see new flooring, completely renovated, new paint. Take a look at the kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. This is a 3 bedroom, 1 bath home. As we take a look outside, you have a carport in a fantastic neighborhood in East Baltimore. Downstairs, we have a finished basement. You can see carpet in the basement. Make our way to the laundry room, central heating and cooling. This is not a half bath, but it does have a toilet in the basement for guests. So we go upstairs, take a look at the bathroom. This home is for voucher tenants only with a 3 bedroom voucher. So you can see ceramic tile, granite on the vanity, awesome bathroom. Take a look at our bedrooms, carpet inside. Again, central heating and cooling, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. Awesome neighborhood right next to, well, a block from a park with a playground. Voucher tenants only. Be sure to contact us, yeswerenthouses.com, to schedule a showing. Thanks.